Good day everyone, I'm Marian Ragas. Today I will show you how to hold the baby and how to birth the baby after feeding. Let's begin. Before holding or lifting the baby, clean hands with alcohol-based hand rub. I will use alcohol-based hand rub. Cradle hold. Make sure that you provide support on their neck, back, and head, also at the bottom. Cradle hold. Lap hold. Sit in a chair with your feet firmly on the ground and place your baby in your lap. The head should be at your knees, face off. Baby's feet should be tucked in your face. Hip hold. Face your baby outward and make sure he's safe on your bones. Should be wrapped on your arms around her waist and baby will be able to look around comfortably. Shoulder hold. Make sure that you have a burping cloth to manage the mess. Sit upright or stand and hold your baby against your chest. Your baby's chin should rest on your shoulder. Gently tap the back or rub to help her burp. Sitting up. Gently assist the baby to be in a sitting position. Support the neck and the head. Gently pat the back or rub to make her burp.